Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Review Zone. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the highly anticipated 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63. This legendary off-roader has been revamped with a host of new features and improvements. So, let us check out what makes the 2025 Patrol Y63 stand out. First off, let us talk about the exterior. The 2025 Patrol Y63 retains its robust, commanding presence but with a more modern twist. Nissan has updated the front grille, giving it a more aggressive and refined look. The LED headlights and daytime running lights now feature a sleek, signature design that enhances both visibility and style. The Patrol Y63 also boasts a new set of 20-inch alloy wheels, which not only look fantastic but also improve off-road capability. The rugged wheel arches are more pronounced, emphasizing the vehicle's off-road prowess. And for those who love customization, Nissan offers a range of new color options and trims. Moving inside, the 2025 Patrol Y63 offers a luxurious and tech-forward cabin. The interior features high-quality materials with new design elements that elevate comfort and convenience. The dashboard is dominated by a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which includes the latest Nissan Connect technology. This system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. For the driver, there's a 7-inch digital instrument cluster providing all the essential information right in front of you. And speaking of comfort, the Patrol Y63 comes with upgraded leather upholstery, ventilated and heated front seats, and a spacious rear cabin with ample legroom. Under the hood, the 2025 Patrol Y63 is powered by a new 5.6-liter V8 engine, delivering a robust 400 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. This is paired with a refined 7-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive performance both on and off the road. Nissan has also enhanced the Patrol's off-road capabilities with a new electronic locking rear differential and improved suspension system. The Patrol Y63 features advanced terrain management systems, including various driving modes to tackle different conditions. From sandy deserts to rocky trails, safety is always a priority, and the 2025 Patrol Y63 does not disappoint. It comes equipped with Nissan's latest Safety Shield 360, which includes adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning. Overall, the 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 combines rugged capability with refined luxury, making it an excellent choice for adventurers and families alike. With its powerful performance, advanced technology, and stylish design, it's set to continue its legacy as one of the top off-road SUVs. So, what do you think of the new 2025 Patrol Y63? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.